Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my trade, which we have done based on the advanced option strategy. So that was works good, and that trade detail I'm going to discuss here in this video. Again, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update, right? So here this was another candlesticks pattern trade we find out by around 155 after a long back. It was generating 173 today. So this hammer candle, so we seen almost 27th July. So this happened by the candlesticks pattern at the level of 155 with a stop loss around 155 rupees stop loss we are taken by candlesticks pattern, and it moves well, and now it is moving around 20 points, so almost 10% plus from that entry point. So you can use if any trade which we got it from the bottom, so it may give you the better result, right? So based on candlesticks, but what our advanced strategy, so I have take a positional trade at this point. At this day we have taken a positional trade, but after that it fallen down, so we keep waiting, and finally it give me a profit around 11,000 rupees. I was booking in this particular option that was generating good and well profit on this trade, but it is advanced strategy. We don't use any scans and screens. We simply use our the price based analysis, and we find out the trade, and it was generating you such a good result of 10,000 plus. We booked it today, but don't think about these are the trades we have done in a single day. So this is not happening in a day itself. We are holding more than a 5-6 days. Right, so it is a purely a positional trade, it is not intraday. But whenever we take the position, some days it can give you the profit in the intraday itself, or within 2 days you will be getting some profit. But it is a real profit we made on positional basis. It's not about an intraday trade, it's a purely a positional trade, and we buying an in the money options, ITM options, that always works better for us. So the ITM options that was giving you such a better result. This is the one trade we done today, and another one which we have done in Adani Enterprise. So Adani Ports, not enterprises also, we had taken a position and it went up, and due to huge margin I have avoided. And but the OTM strategy, so those who know about the advanced strategy, they will know the OTM options, and I took this Adani Port at the day of here, that day, and 1st of August I think I was taken Adani Port. After that, this kind of high due to the illiquidity in the options, so it went up to 72. I bought around 63 something, it went up to 72 plus, but I cannot able to book the position because of due to illiquidity. So while I'm taking the position, it may be liquid, but after sometimes deep in the money options may face this issue. So that is why I always recommend to avoid the stock where if you've seen there is a illiquidity. So if illiquidity stocks may be getting such a kind of practical difficulties to trade. So avoid, as a message to my advanced students, so avoid such a kind of illiquid stocks. If you are taken any illiquid stocks, you may not be getting good profit even though the stock moving. Normally the option move, the stock is moving, sometimes the option may not increase because of due to time value. But even the stock is moving, the option is may not be moving, or we cannot exit because the buyer and seller gap between buyer and seller is the highest level, so we cannot able to exit our desired price. That is also having some issues with that kind of positional options. But you always focus for a liquid stocks, may it give you good profit. And after a long back I'm holding this, it fallen down and went down, went up, so but it still never trigger my stop loss. So what I should do, I should hold, wait. So almost 16 days later, after 16 days later, this day it jumps over around from 790 level to 820, almost 35 points today it increased. But as our advanced strategy, I took a position and I waited, and today I have exited. That is my second trade which I have exited from this particular stock, Adani Port. So then Adani Port I took around 760 call option. So that I have exited with a profit of somewhere around 6,500. Today I exited by 69 itself. But while I'm taking the position, within 3 days it went up to 72. But that day I cannot able to book the profit. After that it fallen down and it went down. But today again it coming down to nearby 70 levels. So I thought I don't want to hold because it is having a lot of illiquidity factors and the price is not trading good. So try to exit, and I am exiting with the 6,550 rupees profit. And another one more trade I am holding it out. That is what Tata Motors. That is also I am holding a long back. So instead of the Tata Motor also I am holding for a long back. So that was working good for me today, and I am also booking the profit on that. This day I was taking a position on 1st August. After that 1 or 2, 3, 4, almost a week time, more than a week's time, it was giving me a loss. But today it recovered and it is generating nearby 12,000 profit. With the strike price is 450 call option, which I have taken around 36 or 37, and today it went up to 44. I think not a 12,000 profit, it is less than 8,000 I think. So that is what is another trade. But if you look at this candlestick pattern, that is even tell you the earlier entries by candlesticks pattern. This is what the doji and hammer, such a kind of candlesticks pattern where it is present. So will it generate you huge benefit on positional basis, not about an intraday. So where I am taking the position on the day of 1st of August, but after 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 negative days, but it never triggered my stop loss. Why? Because of I was taking an ITM options, having less time decay, and after that market jumps over here. It was in cost 2 3 days, it was in cost, but today it generated me a profit and having chances of existing from. And positional trades, we are in the 16th of this month, and let us check it out. The 25th is the expiry, that is next Thursday is the expiry, not coming, next would be the expiry. And 3 days for in this week, 3 days from the Monday onwards, we face issues with the physical delivery. Some broker may allow to trade, some broker may not be allow, and the margin for buying options also be quite high. So avoid positional advanced strategy hereafter. Don't go for taking a new positions. Those who are attend my classes, I am giving you the uh, suggestion. So you have to wait, and you can wait for next month expiry, which is start after that expiry of 25th. So we have more 5 days on this particular expiry. We have 4 5 days. We may take expiry close also reference. So we will try to do it. So that is about my this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.